Hello students, let us continue exercise 11b. Now we discuss example 5. The simple interest on a sum of money for 3 years at 12% per annum is rupees 6,750. What will be the compound interest on the same sum at the same rate for the same period compounded annually? Now, given time equal to 3 years, rate equal to 12% per annum, and simple interest is rupees 6,750. Formula of simple interest is principal multiply rate multiply time upon 100 equal to 6,750. Now, principal multiply rate is 12, so we write 12 multiply time is 3 years, 3 upon 100 equal to 6,750. Principal is equal to 6,750 multiply reciprocal of 12 multiply 3 upon 100, that is 100 upon 12 multiply 3. Now 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, 3 0 0. Principal is equal to, now 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 15, 3 0 0. Principal is equal to rupees 750 multiply 25. We get principal is equal to rupees 25 0 ja 25 0 0, 25 5 ja 125, 5 carry 12, 25 7 ja 175, 175 plus 12, that is 187. Now principal is rupees 18,750. Formula of amount is principal bracket 1 plus r upon 100 power t. Amount equal to rupees 18,750 bracket 1 plus r is 12, 12 upon 100, 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20, 3 upon 25. 1 plus 3 upon 25, we get 28 upon 25 whole power 3. Now 18,750 multiply 28 upon 25 multiply 28 upon 25 multiply 28 upon 25, we get 25 1 ja 25, 25 7 ja 175, we get 12, 12 5 125, 25 5 ja 125, 25 0 0, 25 1 ja 25, 25 3 ja 75, 25 0 0, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30. Now 6 multiply 28 multiply 28 multiply 28 and divided by 5, we get rupees 26,342.40. Compound interest equal to amount minus principal. Amount is 26,342.40 rupees minus 18,750. That is rupees 7,592.40. This is your compound interest. Now we discuss example 6. The difference between the compound interest and compounded annually and the simple interest on a certain sum for 2 years at 15% per annum is rupees 180. Find the sum. Now example 6. Given difference between compound interest and simple interest equal to rupees 180. Let principal equal to rupees x, time equal to 2 years, rate is 15% per annum. Simple interest equal to principal multiply rate multiply time upon 100. Simple interest is equal to principal x multiply rate 15 multiply time 2 multiply 2 upon 100. 5 3 is 15, 5 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 0 0, 50, 5 3 is 15, 5 1 is 5, 5 0 0. 3x upon 10, rupees 3x upon 10. Amount equal to principal 1 plus r upon 100 power t. Amount equal to principal is x principal is x. X bracket 1 plus value of r is 15. 15 upon 100. 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10, 5 0 0. 3 upon 20 whole power 2. Rupees x multiply 1 plus 3 upon 20, that is 23 upon 20 whole square. Now 23 multiply 23, 529. 20 into 20, 540. Amount equal to 529x 529x upon 400. Compound interest equal to amount minus principal. Rupees 529 x upon 400 minus x. Take 400 as LCM. We get 529x minus 400x upon 400. Compound interest equal to rupees 129x upon 400. Given difference equal to 180, so we write compound interest minus simple interest equal to 180. Compound interest is 129x upon 400 minus simple interest is 3x upon 10. So we write 3x upon 10. Take 400 as LCM. 400 divided by 400 we get 1. 1 multiply 129x, 129x minus 400 divided by 10 we get 40. 43 is 120x equal to 180. 129x minus 120 upon 400, that is 9x upon 400. X is equal to 180 multiply 9 upon 400, that is 400 upon 9. 9 1 ja 9. 9 2 ja 18. 900. 20 multiply 400, that is 8000. Hence required principal is 8000. Do yourself question number 14, 15 of exercise 11b, same as example 6. Do exercise 11b in your peer notebook. Thank you.